Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you should contact or how you can contact the customer support through the AXS or Access app. So the easiest way to connect with one of the fan support or customer service agent is to use a live chat during business hour. Now you can simply visit the support help page and click the live chat at the bottom right hand side corner of the page. So for that you could go ahead and open up your application, and then you could go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right and go to help and support. When you press on help and support, you have the support center here. So over here you could go ahead and select the topic, what is actually your issue. So let's say that I'm gonna go with this one, and here you have a list of category as well, or else you could also go ahead and press the question button, and when you do that, now you could go ahead and select the issues such as this, and and here you could go ahead and share the information and the details, what is actually your issue and why you've actually contacted the customer support team. So that's basically how you can contact the customer support team. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.